It's a trailer.
Does anyone want to see what just happened?
This trailer
The tire flew off!
Yeah, the road's here.
That's all it is.
Here we are in the middle of nowhere.
What did we hit that tire?
Okay, that's the house that the tire almost demolished.
Oh my God. Like any bolts were on there. It looked like they all came off somehow.
That is so crazy.
So the lesson learned is that if you hear a noise and you think it's weird like a frog,
Jump out of the car.
check.
Just look behind you and check if there's
was
a tire.
that the frog noise?
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
still completely
I don't think that
shocked
was the frog tire.
that the whole tire came off. Like sometimes the tire.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
I thought it didn't pop.
Oh, he has the bolts.
How this happened to me? Like the tire just shot off.
Yeah, that's why this is so familiar. Oh my god.
It looks like a less schwab or something.
It's such a gift that we didn't get an accident.
Oh yeah.
How did we look at the grid marks?
No, we're not blocking traffic.
Do you see